look at all these cases. Whoa. Now these are the iBlezin iPhone 11 cases. This is the plus size iPhone 11 or the iPhone Pro Max. And comparing it to my iPhone 10, you guys can see it's a bigger size. I do got this case on it, but the screen size is bigger. But if you have a 10s Max or the XS Max, that's what the kids are calling it today, this is going to be exactly the same. Alright, so let's look at the first case here. This is the Halo Clear. So I'm guessing this is going to be a crystal clear case. Okay, so yeah, nice little crispy case here. If I slap the iPhone 11 on here, fits perfectly. Showcase the color of your phone. Okay, so now this one is the Halo Black. I'm just guessing it's still like a see-through case, but it has a black accent. Okay, thank you for being awesome. Okay, so yeah, so this is like an ash material. Right, so you want to still showcase the color of your phone, but at the same time, it's a nice little darker accent. So really cool. So this is the Cosmo Marvel. Ooh, look at this. Hey. Let's take the plastic off. This is gorgeous. This one here, this is aimed to the ladies, man. Oh, and it's a built-in screen protector too. It's a two-part case. Goes on in the back. And that's it. Okay, all your cutouts, everything is here. Everything is functional. Everything is clickable. Your lightning, everything is cut out there. This is a really beautiful case though. Now keep in mind, all these cases are drop tested. Okay, next up we have the Cosmo. It's kind of abbreviated, so let's just see this one. Whoa, look at this one. It's not like a snap-on, but it's gonna be a little bit more work, but you're getting that protection. Okay, just like that. It's not hard to put on, but it's a little bit more steps to put on. I wish I can interact with it, but of course you have all your ports, right? Everything is open. Lift it up. Just like that. We got this. I didn't even see the name of it. But man, look at these cases, guys. Like, these cases, like, this is me. Alright, so I'm going to take an iPhone XS. This is the dummy unit, so it's, okay, but it's going to look kind of silly, though, because the camera module is so much bigger on the iPhone 11. The Cosmo Series, this is in blue. All your buttons, all your cutouts work just fine. Okay, so next up, we have the Aries. This is the Aries Series. Let's see how this looks. So it's the same style as the Cosmo in terms of the protection, but this one here, whoa, yeah, so this is like heavy duty status, heavy duty stuff. So yeah, this one here, you got protection on the buttons. It is a two-part case, just similar to the Cosmo series. I'm gonna take the iPhone 11, put it on top, in there. And this reminds me of the OtterBox. People gotta stop spending money on OtterBoxes. Go with this case right here, the iBlezin, the Aries Series. This is the Aries Series. You see the color of your phone. This is perfect. If you work in the field, if you work outside a lot, you're gonna need a case like this. And you got the screen protector. It has a built-in screen protector, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting scratched up. And the price is right, guys. Everything is covered here. The volume up and down. You even have your power button covered too as well, and that is also clickable. You got some branding on the side there, if you guys can see. You got your charging port covered too as well. Okay, taking it off is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but it's very, very similar to the Cosmo series. You just got to lift up and slide it out. Some really cool cases, man. People got to stop buying these OtterBoxes, man. OtterBoxes are cool, but come on, it's so overrated. It gets the job done, but this is definitely going to get the job done, and you saving money. This is the same thing, but in blue. So we have the Aries series. Okay, so you got some blue accents around, but it's very, very similar. Case goes on just like that, and then you put the back piece on there. Let me do this right. Make sure all the grooves are in properly, and it fits perfect. You got the blue, screen protector, the face part, and of course, same thing. You got all your ports. You got your flaps, some protection on the buttons that are covered. Your speaker grills. Everything is protected. This is the same one in green. Whoa, this one is different. So this one, the whole thing is green. This right here is the money green. Yeah, the money green, just like that. Hey, yeah, this one here is cool. So same exact thing. This is the Aries Series. Protected. All your buttons are covered. You got your flaps for your mute switch, and you got a flap for your charging, your lightning port. Really beautiful case. I like this one the best. All right, and last but not least, we got the Cosmo. This is the Cosmo Green. Okay, so we're going back to this series here. Ooh, I can see it through the plastic. And looking at the Cosmo Green, look at that, guys. That glossy, shimmery finish. These cases, I love the Cosmo series. This one here, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Some people might even debate having this can kind of turn off the design of the background of the gens and stuff. But honestly, it makes it even better. Same thing with all the cases. You have lip protection. It protects the screen. You have the buttons are covered. The volume up and down. The power button is covered. The mute switch is uncovered. And your lightning cable and your speaker grills are uncovered too. So these are the iBizon cases for the iPhone 11. iPhone 11 is not even out yet, and we're already gearing up. We want to gear up for the iPhone 11. These are the cases to get. It's not breaking the bank, and they look just as good. Yeah. All right, so these are the sub cases. By the way, I love the name, by the way. Let's just open this one up, man. Let's just get right into it. Military standards. This is the black case. Now, since this is a two-part case, you gotta install them by steps. Very, very shiny, though, I must say. And it showcases the color of your phone. But something like this is probably best if you have the space gray iPhone. And this is the iPhone 11. This is how it's gonna look. Of course, you have your ports open, exposed, so you have your lightning, your speaker grills, your power button is on the side, it is covered, your volume up and down is also covered. Taking it out is just as simple, so you just take it off. And now, your case is off. This one here is a clear case, just looking at the tag. Now this is just a gel skin case, if I could get it out. So this is perfect for showing the color of your phone. And also, this is also giving you that protection. So as you guys can see, very, very easy to snap on. You have a little bit of lip protection. But most importantly, you're showing the color of your phone. I forgot to take off the plastic. Very, very clean case here. And I heard Apple is going to have a new color, so they might have that green color. So that's perfect. This case is perfect for that. Alright, next up, this is the same thing in black. Right, but it's a nice matte finish on the side, so it's not going to easy slip out your hand. Okay, so this is a slightly different case. This here on the side is matte. This is different. This case is different. And this is actually an iPhone XS. I just picked up the wrong phone. It will fit on your iPhone XS or XS. That's what the kids are calling it. But the camera module is going to be so different that it's just going to look kind of silly. And let's get rid of that plastic. And there's a plastic on the inside. But I like this a lot. Especially if you get the silver. For some reason, the white, or really technically this is silver, it just matches really well. And it's a very, very minimalistic case. I like the way how it feels in the hand, ladies. And the lip, you got that little bit of lip protection. And of course, you got your ports exposed. Your speaker grill, your lightning is exposed there. It's just clip on and clip off. All right, this one here, this is the... All right, so let's take a look at this one. This is a thick case too. Oh yeah, this is like... This is for people who's working outside. You got that carbon fiber. And it even has a nice little kickstand too, as I can see here. Wait, hold on. And yeah, you just simply just take it off. Yeah, this is a cool case. iPhone 11. It's a nice little weight to it too, with these models. You don't have to worry about cracking your phone. Built-in screen protector. Your buttons is covered, and even your mute switch is covered too. So this is good if you're working outside or if you're working somewhere heavy duty. Maybe you're a security guard at a school. You want this so when you're breaking up the fights, you don't have to worry about cracking your phone. This is a dope case, and you're not gonna get that with the OtterBox, man. You're not gonna get a kickstand. You're not gonna get this beautiful carbon fiber. You know, stop buying OtterBoxes, man, and go with a sub case. Damn, these cases are tough. Activating beast mode. Cheese and crackers. These cases is tough. Now, I wouldn't recommend taking this case out on and off. If you're gonna be doing that, you want to get something like this. I ended up doing it. It's definitely doable though. Okay, and also you got the little clip. I forgot to test this out. So this goes right by your waist. I don't really like using this, but you do you. And then we got another one. This one is similar, but it's just in the color blue. Oh my God, this one here, you're gonna see it from a distance. That's one thing. And these guys know I love blue. So that's important. Like if you get a black case, it might be harder to find. The iPhone 11 goes right here. You slide your phone right in. I think you're supposed to slide it down and then groove your way up to the top, but it works just fine. And like I said, same thing like the other one. Your button is covered. Your power button is covered. Your volume up and down. And also, your mute switch is covered too with this flap. You just undo this flap. It could be a little hard to get to, but once you got it, you're good.